Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Simply Avante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Evan Chait here from Kinetic Rehab and Spine. I want to show you how to use the Hypervolt for your lower back. Now, what I like to do is I like to use the Hypervolt with movement and motion. Okay, so then we're integrating that new muscle length and that new soft tissue extensibility into the brain and nervous system. So first turn it on, there's an on button at the bottom, and then there's the power. There's 3 different speeds, we're going to choose speed 1. Now, I'm going to choose my left side for camera purposes. I'm going to turn the Hypervolt down like this. Now, we could easily just do this, right? But what I'd like to do is add a little bit of a movement. So we're actually stretching what's known as the quadratus lumborum, as well as the erector spinae. And if you notice, as I bend forward, I'm reaching on an angle like this. Oh yeah, it feels really good. And I'm applying more pressure at the bottom as I go up, and then I'm releasing as I come down a little bit. Applying pressure as I go up. So I'm actually actively manipulating the myofascia as I'm using the Hypervolt. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about what we do at Kinetic Rehab and Spine, or even be more present on our upcoming videos or seminars, please hit like and share as well as subscribe. Sempre Levante, always forward.